Hi, this is Bill Matthews, and I want to thank you for joining me today. What we're going to talk about now is the integration of demand forecasting and routing and the core concept that is behind Ortek's inventory routing release. And to do this, I just want to take a look at this very simple model. On the left here, we have a picture of what we're talking about. One depot or source point. We have 4 different customers, and these numbers represent the distance between each one of these points. Over on the right-hand side here, we have data on each customer, including their tank capacity and their daily usage is calculated by the system. And to deliver this, we use a vehicle with a capacity of 5,000 gallons. What we want to talk about here is that in general, what you'd see on a daily basis is that a planner or dispatcher would group customers 1 and 2 together, and it would also group customers 3 and 4 together and take 2 trips per day to deliver each of these. Now, this is a fine solution, and no one would ever get in any trouble for solving it this way because it makes the most geographic sense. But on the other hand, if we start thinking about delivering the inventory as opposed to just routing trucks efficiently, we can actually come up with a better plan, and that would be this. On day 1, we're going to visit just customer 2 and 3 because, as we can see from the capacity and the daily usage, customers 1 and customers 4 don't need a delivery, nor will they run out. So on day 2, we would just go back to the regular way that you would imagine we started with a geographical cluster. On day 2, we would deliver 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. What this gives us is now 3 trips every 2 days instead of 4 trips every 2 days. And our miles now are down to 380 while delivering the same amount of product. What we get, as you can see here, is a 10% reduction in the amount of miles driven while delivering the same volume as said. Now, this is just a very simple 4-customer model. If we were to expand that out to 100 customers, 200 customers, 2,000 customers, you can see that the number of combinations will reach the trillions very quickly. And if you throw in more complexity, such as multiple compartments on the truck, you can see where this is a problem that needs to be solved with a system. And that's just exactly what we intend to do. So thank you again for your time, and I hope we've been informative.